If you want a faster way to get back to your favorite homepage in Firefox, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to add the home button in the Firefox browser in just a few seconds. This is a simple customization, but it can make browsing a lot easier, especially if you use your homepage often or want a quicker way to return to your start page with one click. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and easy browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and go to the top area of the browser where your tabs are displayed. This is called the tab bar. Now, right-click anywhere on the tab bar. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click on Customize Toolbar. This will open Firefox's customization screen, where you can add, remove, and rearrange buttons on the browser toolbar. Once you're in the Customize view, look for the home icon. It usually appears in the list of available toolbar items. Now click and hold the home icon, then drag it over to the tab bar near the address bar. Place it wherever you want it to sit for easy access. As soon as you drop it into position, Firefox will save the change automatically. Now you should see the home button right near your address bar, ready to use whenever you need it. This makes it much easier to go straight to your homepage without typing a web address or opening a new tab first. If you want, you can also rearrange other toolbar icons while you're here to make Firefox feel more personalized and efficient. Once you're happy with the layout, simply close the customization screen and you're done. That's how you add the home button in Firefox browser the easy way. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox customization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.